One,
2,
3, let's go!
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Flag Plaza in Corniche, Doha, Qatar. Flag Plaza is the newest art installation in Qatar. This is where 119 flags have been raised, forming a community space for people to view and enjoy. The flags represent the nations with diplomatic missions accredited by the state, the European flag, the United Nations flag, and the Gulf Cooperation Council flag. It was inaugurated on October 4, 2022 in a grand ceremony attended by His Sheikh Al Mayasa bin Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, chairperson of Qatar Museums, several ministers, along with ambassadors of more than 100 nations. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.